Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google group. So first things first, open a browser and then on the search bar type Google Family Group. Go ahead and click this first link and then you'll be routed to this page and just click Get Started. And then just go ahead and click Create a Family Group. Once you're in here, it will ask you if you'll be the family manager and just go ahead and click confirm. This would happen if you have your own Google account already signed in. Alright, from here, you're able to invite your family, so you can invite up to 5 people to join your family group if they are 13 years old or older. Now just type here an email address. Again, you can invite up to 5 people. So let me go ahead and put 1. So for now, I'll just go ahead and add 1, and then once you've added all the family members that you want to be in this group, go ahead and click send. They should receive an invite to your family group on their respective Google accounts. Now once that's done on your end, just go ahead and click got it. Now on this page, you'll be able to see your family group members, which ones you have sent an invite, which ones have declined or accepted them. And then down here, you will see all the Google products and subscriptions you've shared within your family. From here, you can see a Google Family Calendar, Family Keep, even Google Assistant, and more. So let's say, for example, let's go into Family Keep. Now, any note that you put in here, any reminders, etc., everything are accessible and can be seen on the same family members that you have in the group. So basically, that's public for the members of the group. You're able to also change parental controls in here. And lastly, you'll be able to delete members that you don't need in your group anymore. And that's it. That's how you create a Google group. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.